Okay, we are back to street scrapping. Let's get some stuff loaded up. I don't know why this didn't have a handle, but it might be easier if we flip it around. That stuff's all plastic. I'm not gonna worry about that. And let's get you down. Make it easier to do that. Satellite dish there. And there's bed stuff up here. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull up here where I can load the bed frame stuff. And be kind of out of the way. And get that grounding strap off of there. Let's get you somewhat out of the way here. All right, now then. Now we'll get that other feed horn. I like to do this so you can see it, but that's going to block it. So there we go. All right. Ferrous. It's been a long time since I found an aluminum satellite dish. Now, a lot of times bed frames are a little bit longer than the beds, so it's... Am I blocking you, sir? Okay. These gates are always a pain in the patootis. They always want to bang me in the head. Anyway, you know what? We're just going to set these down. We'll see what else we come up with today. I am not digging around there for all those little screw posts and stuff, though. I am going to put that down there. Okay. Good stop. And yeah, we can put that down. Make it a little bit easier to get this in here. We'll let you roll around a little bit. Toilet, toilet. You here, because if this is, oh, look at that, there's a couple of brass parts that came off. Huh. Let's see here now. Aluminum, aluminum. Steel. We have a lot of aluminum and a little bit of steel here. All right, so it's interesting. It's a corner piece. I think what we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do here yet. Aluminum, okay. So it appears that the sheet pieces are steel, and the structural pieces, nope, that's not the case either. All right, so I was trying to figure out a good way to separate it. I think what I'm gonna have to do do the best we can. We'll do the best we can to separate the ferrous from the aluminum. Like I was saying, we'll do the best we can to separate the ferrous from the aluminum, and then I'll probably go to the secret location, unload the aluminum. Yep, that's all ferrous. Hello.
Here's 2 pieces. Do you want these?
Sure. I get it all recycled.
Yeah.
Was storm damage?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Let's like that, I guess. You know what? I'm just going to put you there for right now. All right, from the immortal line from young Frankenstein to the lumberyard, well, in this case, to the secret location. All right, Brawley. Oh, that one doesn't want to tear. No problem. And it doesn't want to come apart. Well, that's no problem either. Because we got plenty of clean, nice clean metal. They're not going to care about a little. That's fine. Looks like some more potential storm damage. Adalia came through last week. How quickly we forget. And I've been finding stuff like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this loaded up. We'll be back. Oh, and there's trampling. We'll be back in a minute. Hey, what do you know? We're full again. That's cool. You know, some days, some weeks are like this, right? You fill up multiple times in the same neighborhood. The yard's not that far away. Let's see if we can get back for a threefer. You never know. Stay tuned. That's the pool of stench. You're aluminum. You stay with me. You need me to pick that up and put it on the fork? Well, this load was even better than our first load, 600 pounds. I tell you what, you can really cram a lot of that sheet steel into the Sharkmobile. So this is, you know, a little over 50 bucks. So we had a pretty good day today with our first run at a little over 38. This one a little over 50. We're doing okay. And I have to go get another load in, so we're looking at over 100 bucks today. All right, everybody. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the street scrapping or any of these Shark Scrapper videos, there's links here that are going to take you to more Shark Scrapper content. And the round one in the middle is to help you to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of this awesome Shark Scrapperness. Have a great day.